Good morning, you guys. Well, at least it was good morning for me at the time. As you guys can tell by the title, I'm going to be sharing the products and steps I take to maintain, in what works for me, a decent ponytail on unwashed, dirty hair. Stay tuned. Whew, I am back, and every string is washed, and I'm feeling myself, as you see. And I am using the Echo Styling Gel. It is the glittery gold kind. You can get it anywhere: Walmart, Target, Kmart, and I believe your local beauty 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 supply store. This is my first time actually using this gel, and I love it. This is my second time actually using Echo Styling. I want to say this is my first time using this particular brand. My first time trying it out was when I felt as if I was 100% natural, and I think that was like maybe 4 to 5 months of in transitioning. And listen, your girl was nowhere near natural. Y'all see them curls? Like, yes, my hair be slicking.
What the
I
fuck?
just love it. But yeah, around that time I was not natural, and I think that's why I never bought Echo Styling Gel, due to the fact that I felt like it was not working on my hair. It does not curl my hair, and that wasn't the case. Right, as we see. So yeah, I'm just pretty much putting a generous amount around my crown. I've learned the more gel, the better. The more water, the greater. Right. I know you guys sometimes see in videos people use a spray bottle to moisturize their hair. For me, that does not work. I do not have the patience nor the time to just sit there and keep spraying it, due to the fact that my hair is like beyond thick. Okay, it's just like that does not work for me, and I be needing my hair drenched. So it can be very, very tameable. As you see, I'm just brushing it up a little bit, and I am using the Carnier brush. I'm not sure if I'm pronouncing it right, and I do not have it in my presence at the moment, so please excuse me if I am pronouncing your brush wrong. Right. But I have learned that the better the brush, the greater the curls as well, so make sure you keep that in mind. And while we're at it, don't forget to add me on Facebook, my Snapchat, my other YouTube channel as well. And if you have any concerns, questions, or products you would like for me to try out, don't hesitate to email me. Everything should be in the link down below. Had to stick my tongue out, you know. I was getting a little excited at the results and burning up at the same time, as you see. Extra shiny there. It's like super hot in my bathroom. And then on top of that, I did not have the window open to let out the steam, nor did I open the bathroom door to let out the fog. So, and I feel like I do that because I feel like it makes me move faster, and honestly it don't. It just makes me upset. But you know, you live and learn. So right now I'm pretty much using a headband. My hair is getting caught up. Please don't let your hair get caught up, because if you're anything like me, whew, I'm very tender-headed. But you know, like the headbands, you can pretty much find them anywhere. Target, Walmart, Dollar General, Dollar Tree, Family Dollar, it doesn't really matter. I pretty much use one of those, and I cut it in half, and I just wrap it around my hair and, you know, tighten it to my liking. At first, starting off, I used to use a shoestring, but as my hair got thicker and bigger, I had to use something more with a little grip to it, if you know what I mean. So yeah, I just pretty much tie that around, and sometimes I go around twice or maybe 3 times, just depending on how big or how wide or small I would like my puff to be. Yeah, I was really concentrating, like, yeah, so if you guys have any products that you recommend me to use, let me know because I'm very experimental when it comes down to my hair to a certain degree. So I ain't gonna go overboard or anything like that, but I will be a little adventurous when it comes down to, doing things. So I'm no professional at doing my edges. I pretty much imitate what I see others doing. So if you have any tricks and tips on how to swoop my edges a little better, let me know. If not, that's fine. Yeah, my bad. My audio ended up cutting off. So, yeah, I am pretty much done. Edges are slayed, least to my best ability, or at least to my liking, I shall say. So, yeah, these are the final touches of everything. Thank you guys for watching. Y'all see them baby edges? Like, yes. Alright, you guys, have a good day, and don't forget to subscribe. Bye.